I woke up this morning and looked out the window and it was covered with snow. Look at that snowing right now. We don't get this very much, so pretty crazy. But it's snowing pretty good. I'll get another shot when the sun comes up. You can't see it roll, you can see the snow coming down. Pretty nice. Can't see the mountain at all, nothing's covered. It's already started to, well, it started raining, so it took all the snow away. But we got quite a bit last night. All over the roof, you can't even see the mountains. Once that stuff goes away and we can see that mountain, I bet it's a lot of snow up there. It's nice. Look at that mountain. It is covered. All the rest of it's pretty much melted. Sure is nice up there though.